Hi guys, annyeong! I'm Sarah and welcome to Soul Food Kitchen. Today I'm going to introduce you to one of my favorite Korean ice creams, and I'm also going to show you a couple of different ways that you can eat it. And don't worry, I'm sure you can buy this at your local Korean grocery provider because I used to buy it all the time when I lived in Sydney. Ta-da! So the ice cream is called Bibibig and it has a red bean flavor. I looked into the name Bibibig and I wasn't able to find much information, but maybe Bibibig refers to big. So the ice cream's big in size, it's big in taste, it has big whole red beans in it. Or maybe it refers to the Korean term bibim, which means to mix. So the ice cream is a mixture of milk and red beans. Anyway, the name is really easy to remember and it's catchy. Bibibig. You could even make a song out of it. Bibibig, big, big, bibibig, big, big, bibibig, big, big, bibibig, big, big. Bibibig has been around since 1975, so it's like over 50 years old. I used to eat it all the time as a kid. My parents, maybe because it's made out of beans, they thought it was healthier than giving me chocolate ice cream. So open up the package and you'll find this brown cylindrical ice cream inside. The ice cream, like the body itself, is a mixture of milk and red bean powder. And then it has these whole red beans embedded in it. The red beans are really sweet, like they've been boiled down with sugar. I like taking big bites and biting into the red beans. One of the most popular desserts in Korea is patbingsu. Patbingsu is shaved ice flakes with sweet red beans. It's a popular dessert with Koreans of all ages, which is probably why Bibibig has been around for so long. It's like the cheap version of patbingsu. You know, I tried making patbingsu at home once, but it was so much work boiling the beans and then boiling them down again in sugar. But if you have Bibibig and milk at home, you can make your own homemade version of patbingsu. It's cheap, it's easy, and it's fast. The first thing that you have to do is to freeze the milk. I left this tub of milk to freeze in the freezer overnight. When you first take it out, you'll find that it's extremely hard. So you have to let it sit at room temperature for a couple of minutes. Once the milk has melted a little, grab a spoon or a fork and scrape the surface of the milk. Make your own milk flakes and put them in a bowl. So basically this is a repetitive process. You have to keep doing this until you fill the entire bowl. I think I'm going to take the easy way out and use my food processor. If you have condensed milk at home, add a little on top just for some extra sweetness. Then add whatever toppings you like on top. You can use cookies, biscuits, jelly, chocolate, almonds, whatever you like. I have vanilla wafers at home, so I'm going to add these. One. There you have it, your own homemade version of Korean red bean ice flakes dessert using my favorite ice cream, Bibibig. If you've ever wondered what Korean patbingsu tastes like, have a go at making this. Okay guys, I have to eat this before it melts, so don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, check out my other videos, and if you've got any questions, leave me a comment. So I'll see you again next time. Bye!